stargazing meditation for peace and perspective. Feeling overwhelmed by your worries tonight? What if, just for these next few minutes, you could step outside the weight you've been carrying and remember how vast, how beautiful, and how meaningful life truly is? Tonight, we're going on a gentle journey together, not to escape your challenges, but to see them from a completely new perspective. The perspective of the stars. Find a comfortable position. You can sit, lie down, or even step outside if the night is clear. All you need is your willingness to look up and softly let go. In a few moments, I'll guide you to a place where your worries feel as small as they truly are. Let's begin with 3 slow breaths together. Breathe in gently.
Find a comfortable
2,
position.
3, 4,
Gently close your eyes.
and release. 2, 3, 4,
And begin to notice your body.
5, 6.
Breathing
Again,
in,
breathe
and
in,
breathing out.
feeling your chest expand, and let it
Allow
all
your
go.
body to feel.
One more time, breathing in peace
Letting go of the day.
and releasing tension.
Simply being here now.
Let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Notice where you feel it most, in your chest, your belly, or the cool flow through your nose. With each exhale, soften a little more. Soften your jaw, your shoulders, your hands. Let your body grow heavy, fully supported by whatever holds you. You are safe, you are held, and you are ready. Imagine yourself standing in an open field on a clear night. Above you, the sky stretches endlessly, scattered with thousands of stars. Choose one star, just one. See it twinkling, steady, bright. That single star is a sun, perhaps far larger than our own. And the light reaching you tonight began its journey hundreds, maybe thousands of years ago. You're witnessing ancient light, light that began long before your grandparents were born, long before your worries existed. Now let your awareness expand. See not just one star, but dozens, hundreds, thousands. Each one a sun, each one with its own story, its own planets, its own quiet cosmic rhythm. And here's what I want you to remember. Your worries are like shooting stars. Bright, yes, demanding your attention, but temporary, already passing through your sky. While these ancient suns remain steady, constant, eternal. Breathe into that knowing. Your challenges are real, but they are not permanent. They are passing through. Stay with me. We're about to go even deeper. Let your vision pull back now, far, far back. You rise above the earth, seeing the soft curve of our blue planet below you. Cities appear like tiny sparks, mountains like gentle ripples. Keep rising past the moon, past Mars, past Jupiter and its swirling storms. Our sun becomes just another star, one among billions. And now you see it, the Milky Way, a luminous spiral of 200 billion stars, drifting through the darkness. Here is the paradox I want you to hold gently. You are both infinitesimally small and impossibly significant. Small because you are one consciousness on one planet, orbiting one star in a galaxy among trillions. But significant because you are the universe experiencing itself. Stardust that learned to think, to feel, to love, to wonder. The calcium in your bones was made in ancient stars. The iron in your blood was forged in cosmic fire. You are literally made of the cosmos. Your worries matter because you matter, but they do not define the vastness of who you are. Breathe into this truth. You are both small and significant, both temporary and eternal. Return now to that field, back to the quiet of your body beneath the stars. Notice the starlight falling softly across your face. Some of that light began its journey when humans were learning to make fire, when your ancestors were sharing their very first stories. In all that time, through ice ages, through warm periods, through the rise and fall of civilizations, the universe has been expanding, evolving, becoming. Nothing stays the same. Everything transforms. The challenges you're facing now are part of your evolution. Not punishment, not evidence you're failing, but the gentle pressure that creates growth, just as collapsing stars create new elements, just as galaxies colliding create new shapes. Feel the starlight on your face and know you are exactly where you need to be, growing, expanding, evolving. Your challenges are not bigger than you. They are invitations to become bigger than you were. Take a deep breath. We're bringing this peace back home. Begin to feel your body again, your weight, the air on your skin, the steady rhythm of your breath. You're returning from the cosmos, bringing back perspective. When you open your eyes, your worries may still be there, but you'll see them differently. Not as mountains, but as small hills on an endless landscape. Not as permanent structures, but as temporary weather moving through your sky. Remember this whenever anxiety rises. Look up. Even if you can't see the stars, remember they're always there. Take 3 more deep breaths with me, breathing in cosmic peace, breathing out earthly worry, breathing in your significance, breathing out your smallness, breathing in perspective, breathing out overwhelm. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back, Stargazer. You carry the cosmos within you. Thank you for taking this journey with me tonight. Whenever you need perspective, whenever life feels heavy, you can return to this meditation. Return to the stars. Remember, you are both small and significant, both temporary and eternal, both human and cosmic. Until next time, look up